How to build a landing page with Getresponse. Hi there, today we'll learn about how to create your own landing page using the Getresponse platform. We're just a brief introduction about landing page. This is like giving out some information to your customers or your clients in exchange of something. So your clients will be giving you like email, name, location, and then in exchange for that, you will be giving them something of value like ebooks, discounts, and PDF guides. So what you need to do here is that you just need to go to your browser and then search for get response, and then you'll be routed into this page here. So in order for you to create your landing page, you will need to create your own account by clicking on the upper right corner of the screen where you will create your own account. So what you'll need to do here is input your username or your full name, and then you'll be inputting your email, and then you'll be creating your own password as well. Once you have filled out all this information, you just need to click on create account. And just wait for it to load up. Then here, once you have filled out this information, you will be fully signed in, and you will need to activate your email address by going to your email, since GetResponse will be sending you a confirmation through your email here. So once you have verified your email, you will be routed to this page where you will need to fill out these informations being asked: your name, name of your company, your address, and your phone number. You just need to click on continue, and then you'll be asked on what informations you will need to be focused on the account here. So whether sending emails, audience, or promoting your store. Here. So once you have done, you'll be routed into this page where it will provide you in steps on how to create your own landing page or informations that you may need for your business to grow. So for you to create your own landing page, what you need to do here is you will need to click on create a sign up page, or you can go to tools on the upper left corner of the screen. And then here you will be able to create your own landing page. You'll be routed into this page where you will have a lot of templates or options for you to choose from. Where these informations here, you can make use, and you could just edit the details for you to use it on your own landing page. So I'll be choosing this template here, where before you will be beginning creating one, you will be able to preview on what are the contents in the template or how it will appear. Here, you just once you click on start creating, you will be routed into this page where the platform will load this for you. So what you need to do is just to fill out the informations here, like the details, so you can change the name of the company, you can change the font, the size. You just need to double click on that text box. Here, also this part here, you can also edit it on your own, maybe a mantra of your business. Here, and so you, if to have your the text appear, you just need to adjust the alignment here. And then as for the background, you can actually change it as well. You just need to double click on it and you can definitely replace and change the image. And here I'll be downloading a few informations or details. And then once it's fully downloaded, I can just choose from what image I'll be using for the landing page. So I'll be choosing this one. So you can align and pick on the position on which part of the image you wish to emphasize or focus on. Here, so you just fill out the information, and once you're satisfied with the image, you can just go ahead and adjust as well the other informations. Like here is a brief description on what the company is about and what service you may offer. So you can edit the informations there as well. Here, so for the contact information as well, I'll just put it below or in between these two white box. So I'll just put it on center. Here, so I can edit the information like the email. These are just sample information here just for this video. Here, so once you're done, there is a here on the landing page where you will be able to ask for the information of the viewers or your audience, their name and their email, so that if they want to get updated with the information or if they want to purchase the catalog or if they want to view more about what designs we offer, they can input their name and their email as well. So we'll just adjust these here. And for the button, I'll be editing the words on it as well. So instead of download now, I'll just input inquire now. Here, so for the portfolio image, I'll edit that as well, just to have it different from what the portfolio has given. Here, I'm just adjusting a few details. And once done, you can actually see here as well on the right side of the screen where there are a lot of tools that you can use as well if you want to add a few more informations or details into your landing page. Here, so once you're done with that, you can actually preview the landing page that you've created. You can have it under a desktop view or a mobile view. So here, that's how it looks like. Okay, once you're done, you can just go back to the page on the account. You can just go back to the home page, and what you'll need to do is you can now publish the website once you're good with these information. Here, so you can continue with the next step, or you can also edit the mobile view as well. Here, so in order for you to proceed with creating your landing page, you'll be filling out these informations here in order for you to create the website for your landing page. So once done, you can just hit on publish. And then there it is. Your website for the landing page has now been created. So what you can do is you can view the website and you can copy the link as well so that you will be able to use that and provide it to your clients, or you can post it into your social media accounts as well. There it is. Once you open the website, that's how it looks like. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.